Hey my lovelies, it's MUTULU here. I trust that you're well, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a hemp scramble. This is your egg replacement. If you are into scrambled eggs and you don't want to consume eggs anymore, this is your alternative. So here I'm using 2 cups of hemp seeds that are whole, 2 cups of water, 1 teaspoon of black sea salt for the eggy taste and scent. You don't have to do this. And I use 1 or half a teaspoon of annatto seeds, and I also put in 1 teaspoon of smoked sea salt. You can use regular Celtic sea salt, it's up to you. So here I'm drizzling some grapeseed oil. I'm cooking this in my 12-inch electric SALADMASTER skillet here. Yes, if you want one of these, reach out to me. So anyway, after 7 minutes, this is what it looks like. And now you just want to start the scrambling process whilst it's on a medium heat. This method is the easiest one that I could come up with, because the one that I showed you lot previously was long-winded there. Yeah, it really was. But with this one, you're just blending it and straight in the pan. We thank God, hallelujah. Now look at that. Amazing, isn't it? So here I'm just adding a bit more salt. This is some dill leaf. At this stage, you can add your onions, chives, spring onions, some wild ramson, also known as wild garlic if you wanted to. I'm also adding some habanero pepper. You can add scotch bonnet or cayenne pepper. It's up to you. This is the part where you can be creative, okay? So I made some baked beans. This recipe is in my cookbook, Cook with MUTULU. And I also am pairing it with some flatbread, some spelt flatbread. And that's it, my lovely. It's a quick little brunch. I trust that this recipe will serve you well.